everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is Being GTV. So today we are going to do a nice bread pudding with a vanilla sauce. So these are the ingredients that you will need. You will need a loaf of your favorite bread. So I'm using brioche bread, and I picked up a baguette and some hot dog buns just because they looked really good. So I'm going to probably mix them. I'm not going to use all of this bread. I'll probably use maybe 2 of these and maybe 2 of these, but we'll see. So, and then you will need 3 eggs, and you want to beat the eggs, and 1½ cup white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream. For the sauce, you will need 1/3 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then about 1 teaspoon or 2 of the vanilla extract. So let's go ahead and get everything mixed up.